Hey, I'm Sada. Today I'm going to show you how to install and style this cute, sexy, full lace unit from WowAfrican.com. This is a full lace wig. Comes in this cute little box they have, and they also give you some great little goodies inside the box to help you install the wig. They sent a elastic band because the wig is actually glueless, so you can sew on that elastic band. You don't want to glue it down. A wig cap in a brown color, but we're not going to use that today because it's too dark for the person's hair. They also offer a cashback policy. You can read up on that, and a little information on how to maintain your unit. So first thing I'm going to do is wash this hair with some shimmering whites. It's a purple shampoo. It's going to get some of that yellow out of there because I don't really want it to be too yellow. So it's going to minimize the yellow or the brassiness. So I'm just going to shampoo that real quick one time. Then I'm going to take some semi-permanent color and champagne just to tint the roots a little bit because I don't want it to be so blonde from the roots, so I just want to give it like just a little bit of color on the roots. This is not going to be like a dark color at all. It's just going to give it a little bit of a darker blonde, ash blonde tint that I'm going for this particular unit. And then I'm going to rinse that out with some shampoo again, and I'm going to condition it with this L'Oreal blonde conditioner. It also has like a little bit of a purple tint, so that'll help again with the yellowness. And this is what it looks like after I washed it and got it all blown out.
My love, ever dream of candy coated angel.
So we're going to start on hair that has been washed and blow dried, and we're going to get some straight backs going on in her hair. After we got our braids in, I'm going to use some 99% alcohol, and I'm going to clean whatever makeup or oil she has off of her hairline. And then I'm going to use some Got To Be gel to lay her edges back smooth, and also to intact this nude cap. That's going to hold the cap down. That's going to give the appearance of a scalp. Since this is a 613 wig, we want it to blend in as good as possible. So we don't want to leave it looking like some black roots underneath. So that's why we use the nude cap. Right now I'm going to put one layer of Walker Tape Ultra Hold glue on her hair, just a thin layer, and then I'm gonna let that get tacky, and I'm gonna blow dry it until it's cool. I'm gonna blow dry it on cool to ensure that it's tacky before I put the lace wig on. This is 100% virgin Brazilian hair. It's straight. The color is a 613 and this was 18 inches. It came pre-plucked, but I wanted to pluck it a little bit more because it just seemed like it was a little bit too thick around the hairline, and I had to customize it to her hairline specifically. And the lace color is transparent, so it blended in perfectly with her skin tone. So I'm gonna blow dry that out since I wet the roots a little bit. And we're gonna cut this 18-inch into a nice, sleek, sexy bob. And I'm just using some regular scissors. You never want to use your good shears on weave hair or artificial hair extensions. That's for natural hair. So always use some scissors that you don't really care about to cut weave hair. So I'm gonna flat iron this out with a flat iron with a Conair flat iron. I'll put what type of flat iron that is in the description box, just so we can get this as sleek as possible. Use a little hairspray to get some of the little wispy ends down in place. Make sure you guys follow WowAfrican on Instagram at WowAfrican and check out more units that they have. This unit was so decent, and it was like the mom 613 hair. It wasn't like baby doll hair. It was really good. This was a really good full lace wig. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and to my channel. Thanks for watching.